2025 is shaping up to be another huge year for the cruise industry as several new cruise ships are ready to hit the water. From adrenaline-filled adventures to luxury escapes, there's something for everyone. So if you're ready, hit that like button and let's explore 8 cruise ships I think you should know about in 2025. Hi, I'm Angela from Grab Your Bags Travel. So in 2025, we're expecting to see 11 new cruise ships to hit the U.S. market, but I want to highlight 8 of them for you today in this video. First up, we have MSC's World America, which will debut in April of 2025. This will be MSC's largest cruise ship and will rival Royal Caribbean's Oasis class ship. I do get a Royal Caribbean vibe when I hear that World America will be having 7 unique districts, bumper cars, an 11-deck dry slide. It will also have the harbor water park and a swing. World America will also feature their largest yacht club in the MSC fleet, plus new infinity ocean view cabin with floor-to-ceiling windows. That should be pretty nice to see. New for MSC, this ship will have a comedy club and a sports bar. World America will be having some new dining options that I think foodies will really love. They have partnered with Italy to bring in new Italian specialty dining, and they will also be having authentic Greek food in the specialty restaurant Paxos. MSC is great for families, and this sailing out of Miami will take you to destinations like Puerto Rico, Mexico, and the MSC private island Ocean Key in the Bahamas. Now at number 2, Princess Cruises will be bringing excitement in 25 with their ship Star Princess. This is following the success of their sister ship Sun Princess, which is part of the Sphere class ships. This sister Sphere class ship will be offering multi-level dining experience to relaxing cabana mini suites. The Star Princess will also be having Princess's new ship within a ship concept Sanctuary collection, where cruises will get an elevated experience, luxurious cabins with Princess Premier, and access to the 16 and over Sanctuary Club plus private dining. This will be one of Princess's largest ships with new and innovative areas such as the Dome, the Piazza, and Princess Arena. After construction delays, the Star Princess is set to now debut in October 2025. I do believe Princess Cruise Line is a wonderful choice for adults who are looking for an experience with less families. Royal Caribbean fans, number 3 is for you. Sometimes the ship is the destination, and following the success of Icon of the Seas, Royal will now be debuting Icon's sister ship Star of the Seas in the summer of 2025. It will have 8 distinct neighborhoods including Surfside, a family-friendly neighborhood with splash pool for kids, a water's edge pool for adults, a playscape, arcade, carousel, a space for teens, and their Surfside family suites. Although this is the ultimate ship for families, Royal has a neighborhood just for adults too with the Hideaway. Royal will have its Aquadome, Back to the Future will be its Broadway show, and the staple Flow Rider Wave Simulator will be there, of course. And get this, Star of the Seas will have over 20 places to eat, including Lincoln Park Supper Club. Star of the Seas will be based in Port Canaveral and will offer both Eastern and Western Caribbean itineraries with stops at the private island Perfect Day at Coco Cay. At number 4, Norwegian Cruise Line is also joining the 2025 excitement with Norwegian Aqua. It's an evolution of the Prima class Prima and Viva, and so it's making Aqua be the first Prima Plus class ship. Onboard highlights include a hybrid roller coaster and water slide, which is reported to be complimentary. With the new hybrid roller coaster, this does mean that NCL is eliminating the speedway from the ship. And speaking of complimentary, the dark section will now become complimentary as well. The Mandara Spa is getting some new additions like the IV drip therapy and clay sauna. The Galaxy Pavilion is being changed up to include virtual reality games as well as classic arcade games like Pac-Man and Donkey Kong. I would like to do those. Aqua will also have Norwegian's first ever Thai specialty restaurant. On Aqua, guests can also indulge in the luxurious Haven area with the first for NCL, a 3-bedroom duplex suite for private, high-end experience. Their Norwegian Aqua will set sail in March of 2025 with a transatlantic voyage from Southampton to Boston. Afterward, the ship will reposition to Florida, offering cruises to the Bahamas and Caribbean throughout August. Later in the year, it will transition to New York for Bermuda season before heading back to Florida. This sounds like a great itinerary for this ship, as I do think the Prima class ships are much better in warmer climate area, being they do have a lot of wonderful outdoor spaces. Disney fans, we've got 2 cruise ships coming in 2025. So at number 5, we have Disney Adventure. This is Disney Cruise Ship's largest ship yet, and it will be sailing exclusively out of Singapore. I know. This ship will immerse guests in beloved Disney stories with themed areas like Marvel Landing, San Fran Street, and Disney's Imagination Garden. Dining highlights include Moana-inspired dishes at Grandma Tala's Kitchen, while younger guests can explore Toy Story Place. But don't fret, my fellow Disney fans, as in addition to Adventure, Disney will also be introducing Disney Destiny out of Fort Lauderdale. This new ship will have a Heroes and Villains theme, with a multi-story atrium inspired by Black Panther, an adult-only Cruella de Vil from 101 Dalmatians themed lounge, and other themed lounges of Haunted Mansion and Pirates of the Caribbean. A standout dining experience will be the Lion King themed dinner show Pride Lands, The Feast of the Lion King. Aqua Mouse will also be back with a whole new storyline, and the Tower Suite will have an Iron Man theme. With entertainment for all ages, the Disney Destiny promises a memorable experience for Marvel fans and Disney enthusiasts alike. And at number 7, we have Celebrity Cruises with their 5th Edge-class ship, Celebrity XL. It is expected to launch in November of 2025. It will be sailing out of Fort Lauderdale with itineraries in the Bahamas, Mexico, Cayman Island, Puerto Plata, St. Thomas, and St. Martin. Now, there aren't too many details about this ship yet, and there are more promised to come in the coming months. So please subscribe, as I will be sure to bring you that information in the coming year when those new details come out. What we do know is that Celebrity XL will have 7 new dining venues, an expanded rooftop, and a redesigned Grand Plaza. What we can expect part of the Edge-class ship is XL will certainly bring a luxurious experience along with their premium service. And finally, at number 8, after a 2-year delay, Virgin Voyages will finally be sailing their Brilliant Lady. It will be making its mermaiden voyage in September of 2025 out of New York City. That will make it the first voyage out of New York City. Brilliant Lady will then make its way to Miami, where they will sail through the Panama Canal and then do some stops for another first for them, Los Angeles. Then they will be doing their first season in Alaska in the summer of 2026. That should be interesting, because I do think that the Virgin Voyage cruises, much like the Prima class ships, have a lot of great outdoor space. So I'm wondering how this ship will play out in such a cold, rainy environment. Brilliant Lady will also be having 2 hammocks on their sea terrace balconies and some new dining spots in their Eat and Drink Festival. If you have never been on one of those hammocks, I could tell you that it was one of the most relaxing spots you could be in. I felt like I was in a cocoon in one of them. Now, Virgin Voyages is also an all-adult cruise line, and it's perfect for those who are seeking a more boutique and unique type of cruising. So what ship will you be looking to sail? I would love to hear your comments below. I, of course, want to go on all of them. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more cruise news and tips. Happy cruising!